What's going on, guys? It's Elias here for another quick video. I'm going to be installing these Acuity. If you don't know who Acuity is, they're an awesome company. They do great things for the Civic, any 10th gen Civic, 9th gen Civic, 8th gen Civics. They apparently love Civics, and this is very much not the only thing I'm going to be installing. I have hoses, I have the whole shifter I'm going to install as well, but these are the shifter bushings, and since the car is basically all apart, I'm going to try to do it without removing the intake pipe. So this is the post intercooler intake pipe or intake runner. So this is the cold side, boosted air goes right through there. Don't want to disturb this. I think I just took this, pop this off, and I could just take it off. Take off these bushings, install these. What these do is really improve the feeling of the shifter. Now I know I'm going to get the aftermarket shifter, the Acuity shifter installed anyway. However, this makes it so much better. So that's rubber. In there is rubber. This is very solid. They're both very solid. So I want to take them both off, replace them with this, and we'll see how this goes. So I'm just trying to, I already took it off. I took off the pin here. So this is the pin that it comes with right here. So I took that off, and now I just have to yank this just kind of yank it out. Plastic. Ha! Just yank this out. Come on. So I had to put the plastic thing that I took off originally back on to more easily put this in here and just yank. Just yanked it out. See? Nice and empty. Let's put the new one in. Alright. So this is pretty nifty. It says sit this side down. Pretty cool. This tells you that. So there's no guesswork there. Just pop it back in. Oh yeah, that fits nicely. So even if you don't have the full shifter upgrade, this will help tremendously with shifter feel. Very direct. Because this right here controls what the transmission is doing down here. So this is a cable operated transmission. Honda does a really good job, no doubt, but Acuity takes it a step further. Honda should just have this stock. The reason they don't is because the reason they put the rubber, so this is made out of rubber, is because of vibrations. People, you know, Honda thinks that if you have a lot of vibration in the stick shift, people might not be happy with that, and they might be right. You know, I am not a multi-billion-dollar international car company, so I don't know what they know, but I know what I know, and I don't really care about shifter vibrations. It really doesn't bother anything. I think it's actually kind of cool. So I have to put it in further. Put it all the way, and then you'll have some space to get this clip on there. I can see why Paul Winning, the guy that does these videos for Acuity, I can see why he took everything else off. Makes it a lot easier to do this, but I don't feel like taking any more stuff off. Here we go. Yep, the whole thing is on. Now I get to put it back in. There it is. You guys can see that. Kind of. And they even provide a new cotter pin, so you can reinstall a cotter pin. Sorry, I'm shaking you guys. I was just trying to get a lot done. I'm doing 12-hour shifts on this damn thing to try to finish it, because I've had enough waiting. I need to finish this thing now. So let's put this thing back in. Let's see if I can mount this around the hole. And that's it. Pretty simple video. Like I said, if you're looking to improve your shifter feel, and you're already kind of doing some work through here, maybe if you're doing an intake, if you're changing the intake box, go ahead and order this Acuity shifter upgrade. You can do it without taking everything off. I'm about to do this one. It's not going to be very difficult. Just pop up the pin, lift it up. Right, I just move this a little bit, lift it up, change it, put it back in. No big deal, guys. Just wanted to show you guys the old rubber bushings. Again, rubber is great to dampen vibrations and reduce NBH. This is why the engineers use rubber. But I want better feel, so now we have Acuity solid bushings. It's going to really increase that crispness that I love about the S2000. We're going to have this here, thanks to Acuity. So really looking forward to feeling how the shifter is going to improve, even after I'm going to install the upgraded full shifter from Acuity. Again, Acuity does a great job with their stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Peace.